Meaning of hundredweight.
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 Hundredweight. Hundredweight is a unit of weight used in the imperial system of measurement, equal to 100 pounds. It is abbreviated as CWT and is commonly used to measure goods such as livestock, grain, and coal. The term originated in medieval England when a hundredweight represented the weight of 100 of some commodity like wool or cheese. Today, it is mainly used in the United States, where it is still used in the agricultural and industrial sectors. Its abbreviation is often confused with metric ton, abbreviated as ton, which refers to a weight of 1,000 kilograms.